Hello, this is Invest Library, and for this video, ipapakita namin kung paano mag-invest sa RTB or Retail Treasury Bond ng government. And if you are new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Just for a quick overview, the minimum amount you can invest is 5,000 pesos. You will earn 1,250 in 5 years. So that's gonna be from 5,000 to 6,250 pesos in total. The more you invest, the higher the earning is. So this is bond. This is a low-risk type of investment issued by the Philippine Government. If you want to know more about RTB, we created a post about it. You may check the link in the description below. So let's now invest. First, go to treasury.gov.ph/RTB. Then here, it says na 6.25% per year yung kayang i-grow ng perang i-invest mo. In terms of interest rates and minimum amount to invest, mas okay to kaysa sa time deposit accounts sa mga bangko. Ito yung calculator na ginamit natin kanina. And for RTB investment, there are two ways. You can go to an accredited bank. You need to go there physically. Or second, yung mas convenient na way is online investment, which is gagawin natin ngayon. And this is ideal para sa mga OFWs or sa mga kababayan natin na mas gustong mag-invest online. And for me, mas mabilis siya kasi nag-invest din ako sa bangko. Ginawa ko yung first step. May post din ako about doon. So, if you're interested, you may check our website, investlibrary.com. Dito naman sa second investment ko, nagawa ko lang to parang less than 13 minutes. So, let's start. So, sabi dito, log on to www.treasury.gov.ph, which is yung ginawa natin. Nandito tayo sa page na yon. Then, second, accomplish the form. Third, pay the principal cost. And then, fourth, wait for the confirmation or the proof of investment. So, let's scroll down this page. And then, check this box. And click this button, ready to order. And then, ito na yung second step, completing the forms. So, I'll put in here 5,000. Then, for investor's name, it should be my name, my birthday, address, email address, my contact number, the account name. It should be the same with the investor's name. So, I'll just put in my name here again. And then, select the bank. Ito yung importante. You need to have an account either with Land Bank or Development Bank. We have a separate post on how to open an account with Land Bank. And make sure na aside sa pag-open ng savings account with them, meron ka ding online banking with Land Bank. You can ask the bank officer to create the online banking account together with the savings account. Pwede yun kasi yun yung ginawa nila sa account ko. Again, we have a separate post about this, so you may check that in our website. And then, enter the CAPTCHA code. And then, check this terms and conditions. And click continue. Ilang beses ko nang kiniklik tong continue button. Medyo nagkaka-issue ako. Ayaw mag-push through or ayaw mag-respond nung page. And as far as I know, tama naman yung mga details na nilagay ko and ayaw pa din niya. So, if that's the case, refresh natin tong page by clicking this refresh icon sa bandang taas, sa left-hand side. And then, ulitin ko lang yung buong process. I'll complete this form. And reviewin ko lang ulit. And click ko ulit tong continue button. And it pushed through. Yay! So, ganun lang din yung gawin nyo kung ayaw mag-respond ng page or ng site. Refresh lang yung page by clicking nga yung refresh icon sa taas or press F5 on your keyboard. And then, ito na yung step 3. Enter the account number with Land Bank. Dito ka na magbabayad. So, dapat may enough balance ka sa savings account mo. So, kung 5,000 yung in-invest ko or i-invest ko, dapat at least merong 5,000 pesos dun sa land bank on top of the maintaining balance nung ATM or no savings account. And then complete the CAPTCHA. And then check this 3 boxes under terms and conditions section. I'll just click this continue button. So, dapat may ma-receive akong OTP either sa email ko or sa phone. Sa experience ko, umabot siya ng 1 minute. So, wag kang mainip. Hintayin mo na lang yung OTP. And hindi ko siya nakuha sa phone. Normally, di ba sa phone natin nakukuha. Pero this time, nakuha ko siya sa email. Sa inbox ko. So, I'll just put in here the code. And then click submit. And then here, you need your ATM details like the JAI. What is JAI? JAI means Joint Account Indicator. 0 for single accounts, 1 or 2 for joint. So I'll just put in here 0 since hindi naman joint account yung inopen kong savings account with Land Bank. And finally, enter the PIN code of your ATM here. If you notice, hindi tama yung order ng numbers. I think this is part of their security measure. So, carefully enter your PIN code. Ensure mo na tama yung kinikiin mo kasi nga medyo magulo or rumbled yung numbers dito. And then click submit. So, ito na yung confirmation of my investment. I can print this proof or simply save it in my computer. So, that's it. Nakapag-invest na tayo sa RTB. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask. And please follow us for more small capital investment tips. And this is Lulu from Invest Library. Until next time. Bye-bye.